I'd rather people that communicate instead of having some radical actions. No, because some people they take it like, okay, I'm gonna break like this. No, you have to actually be certain about it. You know, you have to talk to a person. Yeah, communication. Communication is also a part of attribute or trait of love. Communicate. Yeah. Yes, because if there is no communication, there is separation. But if I communicate, we come from Latin is commun, to make this commun together, oneness. I can communicate, hey, and now I don't create separation. Let's be together from a different perspective. Why not? Or at least if we have a breakup, it's going to be conscious. It's going to be more loving instead of have a radical, no, you some kind of toxic person in my life. No, that toxicity is you. It's yours. When people say, there's a lot of toxic people around me. No, your toxicity invite them to come. Oh, it's like flies. If there is shit, they come. So, the same. Oh, these flies. And then, we are eating, you know. So clean your house, then there is no flies. Right? So, if there is a toxicity around you, get with the toxic one. You. Celebrate. And again, some people get activated. No. And again, everything is you, guys. No, there is no escape. It's you. Everything, you like it or not, this is you. No matter how good it is, no matter how bad is it, that's you. Congratulations. You're a good creator. Yes. And that's the ego. No. Because if you remove that from the ego have no power, because ego wants to blame. You know, the world needs to be fixed, not me, because I'm perfect. A lot of people, when they got to the retreat, they take the notebook and say, oh, you know, when I give this to my husband, oh my God, he will enjoy a lot. And I say, you know, I already know all the stuff. Can you see the arrogance there? The world needs to be fixed. That's the ego. Really? The world or you? No, I'm enlightened. I'm fine. If you were enlightened, you wouldn't see any fall in the world. Just you. And then you see. That's the message from all the masters. Jesus, Buddha, and all of them. Yeah. But they use different languages like brothers and sisters, or I think it was more like family. You're the son of God, in order for people to relate. But you are actually God playing. Yeah. Wonderful. Any more questions or feedback?